Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any power? Yes. Just come. Just come. Just come. Show me the problem. Okay. Just bring your laptop. Actually, what is happening there? If your name is present in this list, then it is not taking your next name. Already you have set the same property. So for this, what you can do, you can just do one thing. You can just match with the date and time. Name and time is present. Then only. So you can just take that. So you one just remove all these things here, and now try. It will just mark. Clear? So, where is it? This is this one. No, this is not. See? See? This is attendance. Here. Because of camera on which photo you taken? This one? This. This is right? Yes. Because of image quality and nothing but. Okay. It's not a good picture. This one. This is okay. That's right. Your camera quality is not good. That's right. Okay. Yes. So do one thing, just add the logic in that project. Currently, what you are doing, you are seeing that the name is present in list, not in present, then you are adding the attendance. So just do one, just check name as well as check date also. Clear? So if current date, name in current date is not present, then you have to mark that. Clear? Yes. Next one. Rohit. Completed? Yes, sir. So right now you are installing download Visual Studio. Why you have not installed it yet?
Sir, currently the previous one again, which is presented again.
What are the others? What you have done?
Today I installed Python 3.6 and before I installed
just come. Okay.
Before installing 3.6 I used
just 1 minute. Which one? Okay. So which same project?
yes sir.
So this is taking 3.10.
Yes sir.
So just add where you have downloaded the file. So you have downloaded the file. Where it is.
3.6.
No. Right now you have installed downloaded the file that I have already shared.
Yes sir.
Where you have. Just remove your hand. This is the file that you have downloaded. Okay? Just repeat. Just put paste it in this one. This is the 3.10.
Yes.
Then paste it in this. Okay. Just paste it.
So, but I uninstalled the 3.10 and today I download 3.6.
Why you uninstalled?
So you put the
No, I didn't tell you that you have to install and then you have to
3.6.
uninstall. I told you that you can install both of them. Yes or no? Yes. I didn't tell you that you have to uninstall and then you have to install. Clear? No Python. Just install it. You can have both multiple Python interpreter at the same time. I have explained many times. Okay. Just go to and just install 3.0. Yes, anyone? So just listen to me. For different project, I have to use different interpreter. So you can have multiple interpreter in your system at the same time. Clear? Okay. Next one. I think I have already next project also. Yes, sir? I have explained next project also. You have installed 3.60. I have told you that how to install 3.0.
Yes.
How to install libraries.
So only 3.6.
Okay, today you all have to install libraries. Okay, just bring anyone, please. Yes, open. Switch on projector. Just a bit. Which you've done project. Switch off. Huh? Switch off.
Say that one.
Why this is happening?
I don't know.
Those who have installed 3.6, please bring your laptop. Anyone? You have installed 3.6? Yes. Is it visible, everyone? Just switch off the light. So you have installed 3.6. You have created a new project or not? What is the name of that project? Okay, just see. Suppose if you have open, the project that is face recognition, and you have to switch from one project to another project. And how you will do? You will just go to this open or is open recent. Clear? And you will see the list of the current project that you have opened. So just it is the election. So this is the project that you have already created for the 3.6. Just you want to check your Python. As you can see, what is there? It means just do one thing. Just this side. Okay, just let it go. Okay, now see, it is running. Just run this code. Running. So we had, I told you that you have to install 3.6 version of Python. You have installed, I think. Then you have to install some libraries. I think you have also installed libraries. Just let me see. So for this, what we have to do? You have to just go to the file menu, settings. Then you have to see. So there is no required library you have to install. So just you have to install from starting. So first library that you have to install for this project is what? speech recognition. Just you can write it down in your notebook. Speech recognition. Speech recognition. Clear? You can see speech recognition is there. Speech recognition. And then you can see, you can press on install package. Just press on install. And you can see this is installing. Next, which one you have to install? PyTT SX3. SX3. Just write it like this. PyTT SX3. SX3. Clear? You can see like this. There is visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Visible, everyone? Okay, just see. Then press on install package. Once you have started or you have started installing, your TTS, just try which one. Then you can try PyAudio. PyAudio. Clear? Just wait. And just click on this install package. So now you have installed which one? Speech. Just wait. You will get here. Yes, PyAudio is installed. As you can see, you will get this kind of message. Let me close this. So you can see PyAudio is one installed. Okay, just wait. Okay, so speech recognition is installing and PyTTS is also installing. Then what we have to install? Wikipedia. Wikipedia. Install. Wikipedia is installed, everyone, as you can see. So now you have to install, actually two are also installing, that is speech recognition and PyTTS. It will take some time. The next one is what? You have to install PyJokes. If you want to get jokes feature, so it will show you PyJokes. Clear? Then you have to install this. Clear?
Jokes, yes, sir,
Jokes. And then you have to install PyWhatKit. PyWhatKit. Just remember that you will get your different latest version is what? You have to change from this place, and you have to use 3.2. Which one? 3.2. Clear? And just press install package.
Why not the latest version?
Some because it will not work in some of the interpreters. Clear? All versions are not compatible for each and every interpreter. That's why. Clear? Next, you can see it is also installing. And last one, you have to install one more feature that is called Google search. Google search, and then you have to write Python like this. Python. So as you can see, PyWhat-Kit is not installing. Yes or no? Don't worry. As you can see, what is this? Google search Python. It is visible everywhere. You just click on it and just try to install it. Google search is also installed. Yes or no, everyone? Just see which one is installed. As you can see, PyAudio is installed, Google search is installed, PyTTS X3 is installed, PyJokes is installed, Wikipedia is installed. Which one is not installed? And PyWhat-Kit. Just let's wait for some time. Some library will take some time. That's why. Just second, write speech recognition. Speech. Is visible everyone? And just install it. Yes, you all have installed all these things. Yes or no? Just install one by one. Then PyWhat-Kit is also installed. Yes, Google search Python. As you can see, PyWhat-Kit is also installed and speech recognition is also installed. Yes or no? So now we have installed all the libraries. Clear, everyone? Clear? So we were unable to install 3.2 version of PyWhat-Kit. because this was not working in this. So we install latest version. So you can install any one of them. Clear? Okay. So now we have installed all the libraries. Rohit, what happened? Or what?
Open.
Just bring your laptop. Just switch on. I think there is some issue with your laptop. But it is in guarantee period right now.
Yes, sir.
Just solve this problem. Okay. Just do one thing. Just you can go at your home and just do same thing. Just record this video. Okay. And then solve it. So this is the problem I have to see. Just see you have installed. So now we are going to create one file. Which file? Just go to this in this project. Oh, sorry. I have to go to one that one first. Just let me restart. Okay. It's opening. So you can switch from this one file to open descent. Alexa, you can go. You are seeing this one, and now you have to create one Python file. New. What do you want to provide the name? Alexa. You can just give the name Alexa one here, dot, and nothing else, and just enter it. As you can see, now we are going to import all the libraries, file library that we have installed. It is working or not? Okay. So how you will check it? Just write import. The first one is speech recognition. Yes, sir. And I am using as SR. Clear? Why we are using this? What is there? There is error. What is the error? Not error, it is warning. It is warning. Okay. Now see. Next one. Import. Which one I have to use? PYTT. Next. Import. Need not to import file. It will work in background mode. Okay. Wikipedia. So Wikipedia. Yes. Next. Import. Yes. Next. Here. Next. Clear? So this is how we can import all live. As you can see, is there any error? Warning is there, not error. There's difference between warning and error. This is the warning that we have not used this one. Right now we have only imported, but we have not used right now. That's why it is giving us like this. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Now what we have to do? Just tell me. Now we have to create. Okay, instance of the speech recognition. We have to create instance or recognizer. There is a function inside this package that is called recognizer that will enable you to recognize your voice in the system. Okay, so how you will write? You just use sr dot recognizer. Clear? Recognizer. Clear? It's a function. Just write like this, and we are going to create a what? an object of it. So how you will create? Just like listener. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to use pyttx. What is the purpose of pyttx? Python text to speech. What is the meaning of pyttx? Python text to speech. So now whatever we will speak, recognize, and then what it will do? It will take the text in the form of text, and then when we want to use that text in a speech, then we will use this one. So that's why we have to use what? pyttx3 dot init function is there. So it will help you to enable a driver. Which driver? Microphone or hardware that we will use. So microphone and what will be there? Speaker also. So basically, whatever we will write as a text, what it will do? It will just convert the text into speech. So what we need? Hardware, speakers. So this will just help. Okay. So for this, what we have to create a variable that is called engine. Why engine? Maybe your hardware can be used by multiple devices, multiple programs. So that's why we are going to create an engine. So we are going to use one instance, means one time he wants to use. Clear? Then what we have to do next? Then we have to get in this engine, we have to get a property. Which property is there? So now we will write like this. Voice equals to engine dot get property, and which property we have to know? Voices. What we have to know? Voices. So this is a property. If you will give voice, means it will help you to recognize the voice, all voices. Clear? Maybe some noise is there, maybe some other object voice is there. So maybe it is possible. Then what we know? So now we are going to provide the ID to each and every voices. So whatever voice it will recognize, it will give the ID of that. Clear? So just see. Engine dot set property. Engine dot set property is there, and you have to set property. How? You have to set which property you have to set. In this, whatever voice it will recognize, we want to give an ID. What do we want to give? An ID. So see, so we will write here voice. Okay, just see the function first. As you can see, so there was voice, name, voice, and then this voice will have some ID. How you will get? So voices 1, comma. Why 1? Anyone tell me? Actually, voices is what? Actually, it will help you, to your microphone will listen multiple voices, noises also, some kind of voice. So actually, you are using your speaker. Clear? That's why I am giving, and the voice that will be recognized by the object will be given to an ID. Okay, usko ID diya jayega. How? So just we have to write ID. Clear? So now the just one. Voices is this. Voices. Okay, I have tried voices. Okay. So now we have created a recognizer that will help you to recognize the voice. We have initiated one hardware, and we have used given up all voices will be stored in this, and this all voices will be given an ID. जितने भी voice recognize करें सबको क्या देगा? एक ID दिया करेगा. Okay. Then after this, what we have to do? We have to define a function. What? Define a function. The name will be what? Top. Function we have to define, the name will be top. So what will happen? So whatever text it will recognize, it will just start speaking that. Means मान लो आपने कोई text पढ़ा और उसको आप क्या करना चाहते हो? Speech में convert करना चाहते हो. That's why we will call this function. So जो भी text इसके अंदर जाएगा, क्या जाएगा? Text. ये function क्या करने वाला है? So किसमें change कर देगा बताओ? तो चेंज कर देगा किसमें, तो सो वी विल राइट इंजन, जो हार्डवेयर का हमने ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया था इंजन डॉट व्हाट, इसमें एक फंक्शन है से, क्या फंक्शन है से, और से क्या करना है, उसी टेक्स्ट को पढ़ के बताना है उसको, क्या पढ़ना है, उस टेक्स्ट को पढ़ के बताना, जो भी टेक्स्ट उसको मिलेगा वो उसको पढ़ के बता देगा। जैसे अब हमने बोला कुछ लिखने के लिए, तो वो बताएगा ओ यू आर वांटिंग, मतलब जो भी टेक्स्ट है, हमने विकिपीडिया से सर्च किया तो वो टेक्स्ट उसके फॉर्म में उसके पास जाएगा और वो पढ़ के बताएगा दिस इज द पर्सन ऑन विकिपीडिया। सो वो जो टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच पाथ हम कर रहे हैं ना, वही क्या है आपका पीवाईटी, दैट विल इनेबल हार्डवेयर टू recognize the text and it will start speaking in speech. Clear? So then what we want, then we want to another thing that we want, and what we want, run and wait. So after telling this he will wait, so run and wait. What we will give, run and wait. With just completing this he has to wait for the next text. Okay, next what he have to do, otherwise what will happen after this program will be stop. So that's we not want. What we want, we basically want that after reading that he has to wait. Clear everyone? Now we are going to use command. So now what is the problem, now we will give the command to the system, just play music, play this one like this one. We have to say Alexa open music, Alexa play video, you have to give the command. So that's why we will create a function. The name of the function will be what? Name of the function will be what? Anyone? If function we will talk, and take command. What will be the function name? Take command. Take. Clear? Take command is the function, and then what we will do. And we have to now, we will give the command. How? Anyone? Only we will give the command when microphone will listen our voice, then only. So we have to enable the microphone. Where we will enable, because this is the part of speech recognition. Speech recognition will help you to enable microphone. वो स्पीच को रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा, मतलब हमारे वॉइस को रिकॉग्नाइज करने वाला, उसके तो किसके लिए, माइक्रोफोन। तो हम क्या करेंगे, ओपन करेंगे विद एसआर डॉट व्हाट, माइक्रोफोन विजिबल है, स्टार्ट आउट माइक्रोफोन, और क्या करेंगे एज, और इसमें जो भी डेटा आएगा वो कहाँ जाएगा, सोर्स में जाएगा। उसको हम क्या नाम दिए, सोर्स नाम दिए। इस पूरे को नाम हमने क्या दिया, सोर्स नाम दिया। एंड देन व्हाट विल हैपन, जो भी आएगा वो कहाँ जाएगा, इसके अंदर। और देन हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले एक मैसेज देंगे हम, लिसनिंग। क्या देंगे मैसेज हम, ताकि लगेगा अच्छा हमारी बातों को सुनने के लिए वो रेडी है। क्लियर? देन व्हाट वी वांट, यस एनीवन। अब वो जो भी चीज लिसन करेगा वो कहाँ जाएगा, है ना। तो एक वेरिएबल में जाना चाहिए, तो हम लिखेंगे लिसन व्हिच पैच,
सर 3 है, बोलिए कोई भी एक, मतलब चलाना चाहिए कोई भी एक।
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write listener is there, we have created the object। हमने बनाया था या नहीं बनाया था, हमने एक एसआर का, याद है किसका ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया था, हमने एक रिकॉग्नाइजर का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया था लिसनर नाम से, देखो ऊपर बनाया था नहीं बनाया था। और इसी के हेल्प से हम रिकॉग्नाइज करने वाले हैं लिसनर डॉट, उसके अंदर एक फंक्शन है लिसन। क्या फंक्शन है, लिसन। किसको लिसन करना है, किसके हेल्प से लिसन करना है बताओ, सोर्स जो हमने बनाया, कौन सा सोर्स है हमारा, सोर्स की हेल्प से में क्या करना है, जो भी सोर्स को मिलेगा वो उसको क्या करेगा, ये लिसन करेगा। और कहाँ स्टोर करने वाला है, ये एक वेरिएबल में जिसका नाम हम क्या देंगे, वॉइस। क्या नाम देंगे, वॉइस। कोई दिक्कत, तो जो भी इस सोर्स से लिसनर ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, लिसनर ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका किसका पार्ट है, स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन का पार्ट है। उसके अंदर रिकॉग्नाइजर था जो आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करने में हेल्प करेगा। साथ में उसके अंदर क्या था आपका, हमने क्या बनाया, उसका लिसनर ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया। इसके अंदर एक फंक्शन लिसन जो कि लिसन करने में हेल्प करेगा, जो आप बोलोगे उसको लिसन, और किसकी हेल्प से, सोर्स की हेल्प से। उस हार्डवेयर के हेल्प से जो भी आएगा, माइक्रोफोन के हेल्प से जो भी आएगा उसको लिखने में है। और कहाँ स्टोर करेगा सारे डेटा को? वॉइस। वो किस फॉर्म में होगा? वॉइस के फॉर्म में होगा। सो नाउ व्हाट वी वांट एक्चुअली, वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट इन द टेक्स्ट। हम उसको क्या करना चाहते हैं? वॉइस को टेक्स्ट में। उसके लिए फिर हम लिखेंगे लिसनर डॉट रिकॉग्नाइज गूगल। फंक्शन है क्या है? रिकॉग्नाइज गूगल। इसका काम क्या बताते हैं? इसका काम क्या है? जो भी चीज वॉइस आएगा वो गूगल के हेल्प से रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा उसको। कि इसका मतलब क्या है? जो भी हमने बोला वो सुना, उसको टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करके कहाँ देगा वो? उस वॉइस को क्या करेगा वो? कन्वर्ट करके कहाँ देगा वो? जस्ट क्लियर। जो भी हम बोलेंगे वो हमारे लिए वॉइस है ना, इसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए? टेक्स्ट होना चाहिए। कन्वर्ट करके कहाँ देगा वो? एक वेरिएबल में हम यूज करेंगे कमांड, और जो भी वॉइस जो आएगा कन्वर्ट करके उसको कमांड में रखेगा। क्लियर है बच्चों? क्लियर है? एंड देन हम उस कमांड को क्या करना चाहते हैं? स्मॉल लेटर में चेंज करना चाहते हैं। तो कैसे करेंगे? कमांड डॉट लोअर। लोअर फंक्शन है एक लोअर फंक्शन है जो क्या करता है? कमांड को लोअर कैरेक्टर में करने में हेल्प करेगा। क्लियर? और फिर हम वापस वो कहाँ स्टोर कर देंगे? लोअर करने के बाद उसी वेरिएबल में। किसमें? नाउ जो भी आप बोलोगे माइक्रोफोन की हेल्प से वो किस फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाएगा? टेक्स्ट के फॉर्म में, लोअर कैरेक्टर में, और वो फिर कहाँ चला जाएगा? कमांड में। क्लियर? अब सपोज करो कभी कभी कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे कमांड देते हैं, अलेक्सा ओपन दिस, अलेक्सा ओपन दिस। अब हमने बोला सपोज करो अलेक्सा टाइम, तो हमें अलेक्सा तो हमने क्यों यूज किया? अलेक्सा को बताने के लिए, बट एक्चुअली हमें क्या चाहिए? केवल टाइम चाहिए। तो टाइम हमारा ना पार्ट का चीज है, अलेक्सा थोड़ी ना होना चाहिए। अलेक्सा को हम क्या करेंगे? हटा देंगे, क्योंकि जो भी कमांड हमने दिया उसमें अलेक्सा भी ऐड था। अलेक्सा हमें जरूरी है क्या? हमें तो बस हम बोलेंगे अलेक्सा ओपन म्यूजिक या अलेक्सा प्ले ऑडियो या वीडियो, तो यहाँ पे अलेक्सा का काम है, प्ले ऑडियो वीडियो का काम है ना, हमें अलेक्सा का तो कोई काम नहीं है। उस टेक्स्ट को हम क्या करेंगे? उसका मान हटाना चाहेंगे या नहीं चाहेंगे? उसके लिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं? इफ मान लो कोई कमांड दिया है, या तो सिंपल टाइम बोल सकते हो या फिर अलेक्सा टाइम बोल सकते हो, लेकिन मान लो किसी ने अलेक्सा बोला तो उसमें से अलेक्सा हटाना पड़ेगा ना। तो कैसे हटाएंगे? अलेक्सा इफ अलेक्सा इन व्हाट कमांड, किसमें होना चाहिए? जो कमांड में है। तो जस्ट okay everyone, so right now we have done, so what we have to do, we have to find this कि क्या इस कमांड में अलेक्सा है या नहीं। आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो अलेक्सा व्हाट इज टाइम, अलेक्सा प्ले म्यूजिक, अलेक्सा सर्च दिस। तो अलेक्सा भी कुछ लोग डायरेक्टली बोलते हैं टाइम, व्हाट इज टाइम, व्हाट इज, तो यदि अलेक्सा के साथ वो बोल रहे हैं इट मींस क्या है? अलेक्सा को तो हमें कमांड के रूप में नहीं लेना है, अलेक्सा तो हट जाएगा ना। अलेक्सा हमने जैसे हमने बोला क्या कि रोहित कम हियर, तो कमांड क्या था यहाँ पे? कम हियर। रोहित तो नहीं था, तो रोहित को हम क्या करेंगे? उस पार्ट को हटाएंगे ना। इसीलिए हम देख रहे हैं कि अलेक्सा क्या स्ट्रिंग इन कमांड, क्या कमांड में है क्या? यहाँ सुनो, हमने क्या कंडीशन दिया यहाँ पे? क्या अलेक्सा कमांड में है क्या? यदि है तब हम क्या करना चाहेंगे? बताओ, तो हम क्या करेंगे? कमांड इक्वल्स टू, हम क्या करना चाहेंगे बताओ? तो ऐसा लिखेंगे कमांड डॉट रिप्लेस। जो अलेक्सा को हम क्या करेंगे? ब्लैंक स्पेस से रिप्लेस कर देंगे। यस और नो? रिप्लेस फंक्शन वी विल यूज एंड व्हाट वी विल राइट? अलेक्सा अलेक्सा को हम क्या करेंगे देखो, कॉमा रिप्लेस कर देंगे खाली जगह से, यस नो, वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, कुछ भी नहीं। एंड देन व्हाट वी विल डू, प्रिंट द कमांड, उसके बाद हम कमांड को क्या करेंगे, रेडी कर देंगे। क्लियर, ठीक है। So this is how we can, okay, one more thing, all these things we have to take in pitch. Let me copy of this. Actually we are going to use try catch, you know what is try catch, exception any do you know, कि मान लो कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो कि हमारा हार्डवेयर नहीं चला, हार्डवेयर हमारा काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगी या नहीं आएगी, एरर आएगा या नहीं आएगा, उस एरर को हैंडल करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, ट्राई एक्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं। तो मान लो कहाँ पे एरर आ सकता है, हार्डवेयर जहाँ पे इनेबल किया हमने, कभी मान लो ऑन नहीं हुआ हार्डवेयर, या हार्डवेयर काम नहीं कर रहा है, एरर शो करेगा, उस एरर को हैंडल करें ताकि हमें पता चले आखिर क्या एरर है, उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे ट्राई ब्लॉक यूज करते हैं, क्या यूज करते हैं, ट्राई ब्लॉक। क्लियर, इनसाइड दिस वी हैव टू टेस्ट ऑल दिस, क्लियर। एंड देन मान लो एरर नहीं है तो क्या हो, यदि कोई एरर आया तो फिर हम क्या करना चाहेंगे, एनीवन पास करना चाहेंगे या उसको छोड़ना चाहेंगे, आगे बढ़ना चाहेंगे, वही होगा। देखो EXCEPT, उस एरर को हम क्या करना चाहेंगे, देन जस्ट पास, जो भी एरर को पास कर दो, एंड देन व्हाट, ये फंक्शन क्या रिटर्न करेगा बताओ फाइनली, एक कमांड, कमांड ही तो रिटर्न करेगा ना, जो भी कमांड उसको मिला वो कमांड रिटर्न कर देगा। सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस फंक्शन आल्सो। क्लियर है आप लोग? तो हमने एक फंक्शन बनाया, कौन सा, टेक्स्ट को, जो भी टेक्स्ट होगा उसको स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करेगा। एक हमने क्या बनाया कि जो भी वॉइस होगा उसको टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करेगा। क्लियर, क्योंकि हम जो बोलेंगे वो हमारे को टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करेगा, तभी वो समझ पाएगा, तभी वो सर्च कर पाएगा, और वो जो बोले जो, और फिर उसके बाद जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसको उसको सुनाना भी तो है मुझे, उसको वो क्या करेगा, तो टेक्स्ट से, दो फंक्शन में बनाया। अब बाकी काम भी आओ हमें करने हैं, मेन काम जो है, अब एलेक्सा कोड रन करेगा और ये सारा काम है जो कि हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे। क्लियर बच्चों? तो अभी यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है, इतना कीजिए और ट्राई कीजिए। अभी देखिए मैं रन कर रहा हूँ, कोई दिक्कत है क्या? यस, गो टू दिस एलेक्सा, you will get nothing. Yes, what is there? No module class. 5 class you are getting this one. This is the class. It's 5-watt kit. So because you are using a 5-watt kit of 5.3 version, just go to 3.2. You will solve this problem. Okay. What you have to do? You have to just install 5-watt kit 3.2 version or 3.4 version. Otherwise, you will get this kind of message. Here, right now we are not using it. That's why maybe the problem. Just do one thing. Just keep on writing the program, then see what happens. Okay. So till now, what we have created the function, and when we will call this function, then it will work. Without calling the function, you know this will not work. Okay. So right now we have created the function. Clear? So in next class we will see, or we will complete this project. See? Okay. Just right now you all have to, yes. Right number 11. Yes. What actually you want? Yes, this is line number 11. Here, यहाँ पे ये देखो, यहाँ से जो भी देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, जो भी वॉइस आएगा वो कहाँ, सब प्रॉपर्टी सेट कर रहे हैं, वॉइस का प्रॉपर्टी सेट कर रहे हैं, देन वो सारे वॉइसेस कहाँ पे जाएंगे, इसमें जाएंगे, एंड देन हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उस वॉइस को आईडी, हर एक वॉइस को आईडी दे रहे हैं, इसी वॉइस में जो आएगा उसी को आईडी दे रहे हैं, so that's why हमने लिखा वॉइसेस वन आईडी। क्लियर? यस। What? If you will start, working on this project, many projects, then you will. Otherwise, everything is project on Google. You can just search it for every purpose. For every purpose of every, solve every problem. You will have your libraries on. So you have to search for the. Just suppose if you are going to use for email service, so you will have library. If you want to send email from your program, you will have library. If you want to search on Google, you will have library like this. So for everything, for every purpose, you are having some kind of library. So that's why that is the beauty of Python. But Python is having rich set of predefined library that can use directly. That can be used directly. So you need not to define that one. You can use directly. So this is that is the reason of Python is clear.